Seeing a B200 error on your Canon PIXMA G6020? Don't panic. This error can sometimes be cleared with a few simple troubleshooting steps.
Let's walk through them together.
First, turn the printer completely off. Unplug the power cable from the wall and from the printer. Wait about 2 to 3 minutes. This gives the printer time to fully discharge and reset its internal electronics. Now reconnect the power cable directly to a reliable wall outlet and turn the printer back on. Give it a moment to initialize. If the B200 message disappears, print a test page to confirm everything. If the error remains, turn the printer off again and carefully inspect the printhead area. Look for obvious ink buildup, paper debris, or anything preventing the printhead from moving normally. Avoid touching electrical contacts or forcing any component. Also check that the ink system is properly filled and that there are no obvious leaks or damaged components. If the printer has recently been transported, cleaned, or experienced a paper jam, pay extra attention to the printhead area.
If the B200 error comes back immediately after a proper power reset, the problem may involve the printhead or another internal hardware component.
At that point, avoid repeated resets and consider professional Canon service.
Try these steps in order, and remember, never force the printer components. If this helped, subscribe for more Canon printer troubleshooting tips.